Hi everyone, good evening and sorry I'm not doing this live today. So this week and probably even next week will not be live at all. Okay, so this is going to be a normal uh, session and I'll just do my analysis now. Right, so let's see what we have last week. So last week view we had still the market remaining in the same range. This has been crossed. We saw this been getting crossed, and then we got resisted. So yes, the resistance have been working there. Support we have not yet retested any one of them. So 14700 is acting as a very strong support. So we'll add that today. Bank Nifty again we have seen 35,000 and 35,600 acting as some resistance. We saw 36,100 coming in this week and then resisted again. So we went almost till 36,600 and then we fell back. Okay, so that we need to see what is stopping Bank Nifty as well. And probably the supports are still intact and they are doing their job. Right, so let's see that as well. We saw the stocks that we had. I think Reliance gave us good money. Bajaj Auto gave us money. Dr. Reddy hit a stop loss, so we had a buy at 4600. It triggered and it hit a stop loss. It didn't went till the target. Okay, so there was a bounce in it at 4640 above, but it just then next day previous it just went down, so we were not able to book anything in that. So that hit our stop loss. MRF hit the target. TCS short never triggered. Infi buy triggered and it hit the target of 1340. So almost you can say 80% because TCS Britannia did trigger. Rest all which triggered, we booked good profits. Only Dr. Reddy took some hit, and that is where we had one red trade in the entire week. Right. So let's see this week how it is. So let me change the date for 8th of March now. For everyone who is listening to this, 8th of March is the International Women's Day. And as a part of initiatives from even Sway Church, we will be celebrating the Women's Day with a bang. So, uh, for everyone who's listening, there would be 30% discount on all our trainings that we do from Sway Church for any woman you want to gift. So it can be your sister, your wife, your friends, your colleagues. So any woman who is taking our course till the entire next week. So from 8th March till probably you can say 12th of March, we are going to have this offer of 30% discount on all the trainings that we do from Sway Charts, right? And so we will be sending a circular in the morning, but this is just a heads up for everyone who's listening to this video as well. So now let's see what we do see in the market. So let's put this and let's start. So Nifty has got a doji on daily and it's been resisting 60 twice. So once here and once here. So we saw some 60 resistance out here. This may be a freak trade. Okay, we need to see what it did. Then over here, if you see, it's a see candle wise. If you look at both the candles, it seems to be bullish harami with a pro gap. Okay, it's a pro gap bullish harami above 60, decent volumes than the previous one. Okay, so we do have some volumes here. Okay, so there are good volumes and there are very good volumes here. So we need to see if the half of this candle has been supported. So that is one thing. So 14,500 is acting as a good support so far. Last week we didn't have to even test it, and monthly still looks to be good. It's still doing band walk and it is just a week in March, right? So daily we should see a doji at 20 MA resistance, and also you can say resisting 60. Okay, as far as I'm concerned on it, it's also at some level of support, but it's finally a doji. So if you see 15,100 been crossed, okay, you might go long onto Nifty, and you can expect it to come back to 15,300, 400 mark, or maybe the upper band, which is almost 14,460, or around that levels. So this still looks good on the charts. Okay, only thing is daily 60 has been broken, weekly still good, and also monthly is good. So there is no questions out here. Okay, so let's write down on Nifty. Nifty weekly had gap and 40 support. So we saw that bounce that day on Monday itself. So every Monday we see a bounce. I don't know what is the reason. So now daily Doji at MA20 resistance. Okay, weekly at price support, and weekly you can say bullish Harami formation, and individually shooting star. Okay, and monthly band was about 60 with still neutral candle. So see, this monthly March we don't have to consider at all. Okay, so resistances we can still say around 15,100 is that resistance. So I'll remove this right now. Okay, so we'll add this and maybe 15,500. On the downside we should have one more added here. So 14,750 is acting as a good support. Okay, and I'll remove 14,000 for now. Okay, so these are the levels. You can clearly see them. Okay, now let's see Bank Nifty what it has to say. Bank Nifty seems to be like a doji again, but this is at price support as well as uh, very close to lower band. So this seems to be like more of a support. Okay, you can see this candle here, this doji here, this black bounce from there. So somewhere 34,600 or 34,700 is acting as a very good support. Okay, and let me also have the arrows for me. Okay, see, if I look it to this way, and if I have this line, it seems to be a descending wedge. A breakout about 36,000 should take it higher to almost back to 37,700. So let's see what it does tomorrow, or maybe in this week. So this looks okay. The only hurdle would be again 60. Okay, so we need to cross 60 this time, and yes, we also need to cross few levels here. So 37,200 as well as 36,500 needs to be clean. Okay, so there are few resistances here this time. Okay, but if there is see, this is again a doji, and if there is a gap up, we might have again, there is a gap here, there can be a gap here, and an island reversal. See, island reversals are working good because Bank Nifty spot had a beautiful island reversal here, and it gave the target which was a swing low. Now there can be an island reversal, and we can have the swing high again. So this can be possible in Bank Nifty. Again, there is a flag type of formation on weekly, and there are sideways candles here. Okay, so it's still looking good at 34,700 as support, and monthly you can just say it's still there, and it's normal. We don't see anything yet because the month has opened a pro gap. Okay, so it's already, sorry, not pro gap but a gap up, but it is not yet closed, so it's just a week old, so you can't consider much on the monthly basis. But this looks okay to me. There's a doji followed by a shooting star. So if we don't break below this, we are still looking good. And half of this candle is candle with volume. So unless we break half of this candle, we should not be looking for anything else. So 33,700 or 33,800 is a very critical support for Bank Nifty as well, right? So again, we can say, so we do have daily doji at price and lower band support. Okay, weekly doji again. So weekly is still around 38% retracement. Right? It has not broken that, because if you look at this, if I have a few retracement from here, it's still at 38. See, it's not breaking this. Okay, but it has to cross 35,900 on closing basis for it to again retouch the high. So if this week now closes about 35,600 or 35,800, we are definitely looking for the new high in Bank Nifty. And if it breaks down, we know it will come down back till this level. So upside and downside both should be open, because there are dojis and shooting stars on weekly. Okay, but the volumes are not much, so I'm not much concerned. Okay, always remember shooting star with record volume. Okay, shooting star with a record volume is bearish, and it's a diamond category trade if the low breaks. But here we don't see much volumes here. See, even red line के नीचे है ये सब. Okay, so इतना moderation नहीं आता है. Okay, monthly above 60 with bullish candle. So monthly लास्ट मंथ का ही कंसिडर होएगा. ये मंथ का कुछ मैं लिख लेने वाला हूँ और कुछ ज़्यादा उसमें चेंजेस नहीं करने वाला हूँ. So resistance levels are around 35,300 where we are right now. Okay, so we closed again below that. Okay, then we have 35,700 and 36,100. Okay, so everything is there, on the chart, so we still maintain that. And this has acted as good support so far. Okay, and maybe we can add 34 350. There is a gap support there. Okay, so Bank Nifty looks okay to me. Not much bearish, not much bullish, but let's see what happens tomorrow. Now let's see the other thing. IT, let's see IT. IT also has got a weekly pro gap wala bullish harami at support. Arey bhai. See, this is at, it took 60 support last week. Okay, and it's looking okay to me. Okay, so still we have got some resistance around 20 and 60 on daily, and monthly now it is trying to do something fishy. So let's see how the month ends. But this month is still looking good. It is resisting upper band. Okay, so if it crosses upper band or what it does, month खत्म होने के बाद ही पता चलेगा, उसके पहले नहीं पता चलेगा. So let's hold on to that. Okay, so in case of IT also, we are still at price support. If you look at this, okay, this line, if I just draw a line at the current levels, मैं यहाँ से लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. सी, ये वाला क्योंकि ये फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट था. ठीक है, ये भी ये देखो इसके नीचे ज़्यादा देर टिका नहीं है. तो इवन वी कैन से दैट वी आर अराउंड द सेम सपोर्ट लाइन. Okay, and कोई इसको शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए साइडवेज बोल सकता है, या प्लीज डोंट से दिस एज ये लोअर टॉप लोअर बॉटम बना रहा है। भाई ये जो बना रहा है ना, दिस कैन बी ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज, सी लोअर टॉप लोअर बॉटम ट्रेंड देखने के लिए मंथली चार्ट देखो, कभी भी डेली और छोटा टाइम फ्रेम मत देखो। ये स्क्वीज बना रहा है, ओके, अच्छा खासा डिसेंडिंग वेज बना रहा है। जब तक ये नहीं टूटता है ना, आईटी स्टॉक को शॉर्ट करने का सोचो भी मत। स्विंग ट्रेड्स इज फाइन, ओके, बट ये नहीं टूटता है तब तक डेली बेसिस पे इट शुड बी बाय ऑन डिप्स, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आके ये तुरंत वापस बाउंस मारने वाला है। एंड देन this may be one more, and then there will be a breakout. So we might have a breakout somewhere in mid of March, or maybe in the third week of March. But this is still looking decent now for some retracement. So let's see if we get any short trade in TCS in this week, because this is looking literally नीचे आने का जगह है अभी इसको. Okay, so that is one thing that we need to see. बट वीकली पर्पस पावरफुल है, तो वो ध्यान में रखना है। वेज फॉर्मेशन बट बिलो 40, सो दिस इज व्हाट वेज फॉर्मेशन इसमें अभी भी है। ओके, सो डेली एट प्राइस सपोर्ट एट वेज फॉर्मेशन, बट दिस टाइम इट इज अबाउ 40, इट्स नॉट बिलो 40। ओके, सो ये अभी इधर आ गया है फॉर्मेशन, आई कैन से रेजिस्टिंग 60। ओके, सो दैट इज वेयर वी आर रेजिस्टिंग 60 एंड MA20। अब दो चीज डालता हूँ मैं अभी। Okay, weekly bearish formation at 60 support. Okay, so weekly bullish formation डाल दूंगा मैं, because it's a bullish harami pro gap वाला harami at 60 support. Okay, and monthly shooting star above 60, वो अभी will keep it because that's the same thing, but I think shooting star का high cross करेगा तो we should be okay. So Nifty IT also seems to be good over here. Now let's see FMCG, or first let's see infra. Okay, so let's see Nifty in infra क्या बताता है। Okay, daily it is at 60. Okay, and there is a shooting star. Okay, so let's see what it has. Okay, so बट ये यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत गैप सपोर्ट भी है इसको, 60 सपोर्ट एंड गैप सपोर्ट। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इंफ्रा कैन डू ऑन डेली। अच्छा, ये वीकली भी ठीक ठाक है, देयर इज नो bearishness here also। 75 75, okay, so there is some bearishness 3 बार वाला, but confirm होने दो। Okay, so it will be only if it goes below 4050, but monthly is strong, so जाने दो, monthly is too strong। Okay, so वो bearish divergence confirm भी नहीं होने वाला है। Okay, so this also seems to be, see there is a bearish divergence here also, 68 का है और इधर मेरे ख्याल से 63 है। Okay, so there is daily weekly में bearish divergence setup है, but वो confirm होना चाहिए। Okay, and confirmation is below. Now in case of daily, if it breaks the 20 MA, there will be some issues, but otherwise it won't be there। Okay, so infra looks okay to me. We'll see few infra stocks in that case। Okay, now so we saw Nifty infra. Let's go to, I think reality people are looking, so I'll just go through reality sector as well। It's same as infra. Daily has got a support of 60. Weekly we do see some bearish divergence here। 4 बार भी दिख रहा है, ये क्या है 73 74, नहीं नहीं है, बट इधर है 78 और Yeah, 74. So some bearishness is there, but I think it is also at all-time high resistance. Okay. Over here also it is at around this resistance here. So all-time high nahi hai, but this is also having some resistance here. But look at the RSI after multi-year, it has gone above 60 and it is right now, upper band resistance and as well as this price resistance. So ये reality sector अगर इसके ऊपर में निकला, okay, which I think DLF, दिलीप बिल्डकॉन, वो सब भागना चाहिए. Okay, ये ब्रेकआउट का राह देखो, सब स्टॉक्स भागेगा उसका भी. Okay, you might see this coming back till this level. So this is looking good. But ये breakout आने दो. Okay. So reality also we just saw. Now let's see FMCG क्या बोलता है. See ये key sectors सब ये flag setup भी दिखा रहा है मेरे को actually. See it bounced from here. It's now over here. There is a trend line breakout. It has to come down. I think. See ideally it should not break this. If it does not break this, तो ये ऊपर की तरफ चला जाएगा. So then you might see this levels का movement. Okay, so it might come from lower band to upper band. यहाँ तक आ जाएगा ये, फिर वहाँ पे resist हो सकता है. Okay. Oh, look at the week. It's a bull sash. Okay, bull sash at 20 MA. भाई ये अच्छा दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. This sector now can be looking good. And monthly also it's trying to creep up. So let's see what it can be. So FMCG is looking good. Okay. Daily resistance 40 नहीं अभी तो ऊपर आ गया है. Daily let's set up and price that gap support resisting MA 20. Okay, MA 20 weekly bull sash at 60 support. नहीं 60 सपोर्ट नहीं, सॉरी MA 20 सपोर्ट है. 60 के ऊपर जस्ट आया है at MA 20 सपोर्ट and monthly अराउंड 60 लाख डाल दूंगा क्योंकि थोड़ा भी चेंज हो रहा है. Okay, so FMCG is showing some improvement here. Okay, let's go to the other sectors. Pharma, my dear pharma, थोड़ा थोड़ा see it is also making that type of formation only है. ये भी वेज में घुसा है और इसका वेज फटेगा तो बड़ा फटेगा. ये लोग ही है वो कोरोना. Okay, so this is also in the same thing. It's coming at 40 support and there is a gap support as well here which it has already taken on Friday. There is also price support at this level where it is right now. तो ऊपर ले लूँगा तो आपको दिखेगा. Okay, so this there is a gap. This support here, and this support. और यहाँ पे भी अगर थोड़ा लाइन बढ़ा रहता तो यहाँ पे ये जो bunch of candles है इधर का भी support है उसको. Okay, so we are at the first dip towards 40 after breaking 40. So you can see something like a bullish range shift on pharma on daily. Bullish harami again on weekly. See, maybe the markets went down last week, but Still, the sectors have shown some improvements here, and इसका monthly तो 60 support पे है. Okay, so it's still looking good. Okay, so pharma daily resisting 40 नहीं है. Now daily bullish range setup, weekly below 60, yes, वो तो था, but there is a bullish harami formation, weekly below MA 20, bullish harami pattern below 20 MA, okay, or I can say resisting 20 MA, okay, MA 20, monthly shooting star about this, and 5 bar PRD confirms about this, so this will keep it. ओके, सो 12,400 के ऊपर मतलब भाई साहब कंफर्म करके वापस गिर गया. 447 जाके आया, सो कंफर्म नहीं किया है, कंफर्म करके गिर गया है. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इट डज. ओके, मंथली है, सो मंथली जब तक कैंडल खत्म नहीं होता तब तक पता नहीं चलेगा. सो अबाउट this we should see confirmation on 5 hour PRD as well. Okay, now let's see the auto sector. Okay, so auto shows some gap up in this month. Good. Again, the week has 60 support, and yes, 5 बार पीआरडी इसमें भी है. ये कैसे छूट गया था? हाँ, ये भी तो है. और डेली सबका वही है, 20 MA के ऊपर में निकलना है बस. सो हाँ, इसमें भी है सेटअप. ओके, मंथली शूटिंग स्टार एंड दिस. सो तो डेली एट 40 support and price support में से it has bounced, but it is also resisting 60. Okay, so daily resisting 60 and MA 20, weekly 5 bar PRD at 60 support, monthly shooting star at 60 is down not there, so monthly as a pro gap candle above 60. Pro gap formation about 60. Okay, so this is where we have all the sectors. So now let's see the stocks. So let's start with my favorite, Reliance, because now it is coming back. So एक मिनट पहले ACC भी देख ही लेते हैं. Last week Siemens काफी भागे थे. So now we need this to go above. So daily does not show much. Weekly shows a breakout and maybe first time close above 1800. I think 1800 पे उसने कहा पहली बार weekly close है after the breakout, so it's looking good. And monthly also it is now trying to cross 60. Okay, so after a long time this is looking good, but currently on base of daily it is if you look from this point of view, bearish Karami setup at 60 resistance. Okay, so I'm not going to do any trade here because other time frames are looking good, so I can't give you contradictory things. So let's see. Now this is okay. We see 60 support, price support, so this is still looking good. Bandwagon just 60 cleared. Ooh, Baba. It's an alert bar on Reliance. It's an alert bar on Reliance at 60 support. So Reliance looks good to me. पहला ही ट्रेड आपको जल्दी मिलेगा. So Reliance buy about. Should be around 75 points and maybe around 55 points. Okay. No short trade on Reliance. Okay. Then let's go to. So we saw ACC, Reliance. Let's see Ultratech. Ultratech looks good to me, but daily as a shooting star. Ah, look at weekly looks good. Very good. And monthly तो यार छोड़ दो. कहाँ मंथली 40 से हम इसको बाई करते करते घूम रहे थे, अभी कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गया, डबल हो गया ये 34 हम लोग का 3500 का फर्स्ट बाई था, वहाँ से लेके ये 7000 ऑलमोस्ट टच कर दिया इसने. So Ultratech is looking good and you should hold it if you are holding Grasim. Let's see that. See, Grasim is also equivalently good on monthly. No bearishness, nothing. ये थोड़ा हाई है अभी. We might see a short trade on Grasim. Let's see LNT as well. LNT is also looking good. So we got three trades so far on Nifty. So we are just looking right now on Nifty stocks. So this is looking good. L&T crossing Reliance. Now let's start with Maruti. I know we are already long on Maruti on top bottom, and look at this. It's a beautiful sight to see something like this. Okay, it's a first 40 support. Okay, bullish range shift, right? Gap support. This looks beautiful. On the swing trade also 200 points can be expected. Okay, weekly looks good as well. Okay, so let's see. Maruti also looks good to me. Okay, can we buy above 7300? Okay, so buy above 73 and can expect 7500 with a stop loss of half of this candle, which is 7195. So let's say Bajaj Auto निकाल दो हमारा बजाज. So Maruti looks good, decent. Let's see Bajaj Auto क्या बोलता है. Oh, that is also looking good. Look at this. अरे कितना करेंगे हम. 40 सपोर्ट पे डोजी बना के बैठा है. यहाँ पे भी अच्छा 60 सपोर्ट है. Not take much trades because one, two. I think see, already we are plus in stock ideas by almost 30,000. Okay, so last week we made good money, and I don't want to give much more trades on stock ideas as well. So I'll resist myself for adding, but this is looking really good. Okay, so I'm going to add for myself Bajaj Auto. Okay, so if you are looking at it, you can have this trade in your favor, but okay, this is 3-1. Can expect a target of 4100, and SL you can expect is 3865. Okay, चलो अभी बना ही दिया है तो डाल देते हैं इधर. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 trades so far. Okay, one is short and बाकी सब buy दिख रहा है मेरे को. Okay, so Bajaj Auto, uh, हीरो मोटो. हीरो मोटो तो ऑलरेडी ऊपर ही जा रहा है, छोड़ दो उसको. ये यहाँ पे 60 रजिस्ट कर रहा है, 60 क्रॉस कर रहा है, तो इसमें कुछ नहीं बन रहा है. एस्कॉर्ट्स रजिस्टिंग 20 एम ए. हियर ऑल्सो डोजी एट 20 एम ए फॉलोइंग हैमर, एंड दिस इज 60 सपोर्ट, 60 के नीचे. So not much trade out here because it's see resisting the gap here actually. ओके, तो ये गैप को रजिस्ट कर रहा है जब तक ये 1370 के ऊपर में नहीं जाता या 1380 के ऊपर में क्लोज नहीं आता है. देर इज नो बाय ऑन एस्कॉर्ट्स. ओके, सो बी केयरफुल. ओके, एस्कॉर्ट्स नहीं. टाटा मोटर्स, लेट्स सी व्हाट इट डिड लास्ट वीक. अच्छा, थोड़ा नीचे आया है. सो इट हैड दिस and this. So it has come down. Okay, and we are now around the accumulation support, but see Tata Motors अभी थोड़ा थका हुआ है. Okay, you look at the RSI from the peak, it has been just coming down. So there will be some correction in Tata Motors, and yes, I do expect this. Okay, it's a shooting star, and even monthly is trying to be a little bearish now. So there would be some retracement now in Tata. मोटर्स बिकॉज इफ यू लुक एट इट, यहाँ से उसने रिट्रेसमेंट चालू किया ही नहीं अब तक, तो यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट ये 300 तक एक बार आएगा। ओके, ये तो मैं बहुत बड़ा देख रहा हूँ, अगर ये एक्चुअली यहाँ पे देखोगे ये भाई साहब तो आया ही नहीं, सो यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट नाउ इट टू कम अराउंड 287 टू 90 लेवल्स। Okay, so this is where the entire rally is so far. It has gone one-sided without any retracement. So now there is a chance of retracing, and let's see one more thing. Aye. तो ये दिखा रहा है कि इसको यहाँ तक का जगह है, बट ये देखो कहाँ अटकाया उसको, 50% पे अटकाया है। ओवरऑल ये जो पूरा रैली है, ओके, अपसाइड का 60-50% पे अटका है, तो दैट्स वाई ये थोड़ा जोन उसको क्लियर करने को भी टाइम लग रहा है। तो एक बार ये 394 तक आ जाएगा या 394 के ऊपर में निकला, तो ये 600 तो मारेगा ही मारेगा। ओके, बट नाउ आई थिंक पीपल हु हैव इवन इन कैश, दिस इज द टाइम टू बुक some profits in Tata Motors, okay, because there is some retracement expected now। ओके, इसी आई डोंट गिव एनी शॉट ऑन दिस बिकॉज उसका लॉट साइज बहुत बड़ा है और वो मैं फ्यूचर्स में ट्रेड नहीं करता हूँ। ओके, सो आई विल नॉट रिकमेंड एनीवन टू गो शॉर्ट ऑन दिस स्टॉक इन फ्यूचर्स, बट येस इफ यू आर होल्डिंग, बिकॉज हमारा रिकमेंडेशन था अराउंड 115 से इसको बाय करके रखने का। So I will just say that have this right now, book profits, because देखो अपना जो बाई था वही बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस था, उसका ब्रेकआउट के ऊपर से था, सो कंफर्मेशन आ गया अराउंड 100 टू 115, ये जो लेवल था उसके ऊपर हम लोग ने बाई बोला था। अभी ये 115 120 से अगर आप होल्ड करके रख रहे हो और 300 के ऊपर चला गया है, there is now time to book profits, and then once it crosses this level again you re-enter for the target of this। Okay, but I would suggest you to book profits now। So Tata Motors, so we saw that। Let's see MRF क्या बोलता है। MRF has started good note, we got a good trade last week as well, and this week see it's a bullseye already at 60 support। let's see डेली में कहीं पे एंट्री है क्या। एंट्री है 91,000 के ऊपर, you can expect it to go back to 94,000। Okay, so it looks okay to me, but I will avoid क्योंकि 60 के आसपास में भी नहीं है ये, 50 के आसपास में है। So let's wait for a proper trade for this, but it looks good। Okay, it can give you good amount, so 88 can be a stop loss। you buy above 90 या वही 90 के ऊपर आप बाय करो, यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट इट टू क्रॉस अराउंड 94,000 के आसपास। सो अराउंड 4,000 पॉइंट्स का ट्रेड है, नीचे भी 2,000 पॉइंट्स है, तो यू कैन ट्रेड इट इन दैट फैशन। ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स गो टू द फिनेंस। HDFC बैंक क्या बता रहा है। तो डोजी 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 है, प्राइस सपोर्ट है, एंड सी दिस इज अ फैंटास्टिक थिंग। अगर ये ट्राई स्टार डोजी कल बनाता है, यहाँ पे आके बंद हो जाता है, looks good for this target again। So HDFC Bank is okay, similar to Bank Nifty है ये भी। See, there is no bearishness on the monthly, हाँ, तो ये इतना अटकेगा नहीं इधर। सेट स्टिल एट CIP 1500 तोड़ेगा नहीं तब तक ये अच्छा दिख रहा है। ये देखो इसको यहाँ पे बड़ा गैप सपोर्ट भी है, तो HDFC बैंक इज लुकिंग गुड। So HDFC Bank is looking good. Let's see बाकी सब banks क्या बता रहा है. Axis में भी same दिख रहा है. ओह ये छोड़ दो. बहुत बड़ा swing है ये. It's a spinning top, but there is not much volume here. Okay, so I am going to ignore it and I'll consider this only as the base. So I will avoid this type of candle. Okay, so जाने दो इसको. Axis, HDFC Bank, let's see Kotak. Wow, Kotak is at 60 resistance, so we need to see what it does. But it's a bullish harami at 20 MA support. Let's see what it does. Oh, 20 MA resistance यहाँ पे भी, लेकिन gap close किया गया, कर दिया. चलो good ball. Alright, monthly looks good. Monthly looks good. Okay, so far so good on monthly, and it should cross till 2000. वापस आ जाएगा एक बार. So let's see what it does. So Kotak is looking good. Okay, we already have one buy. Anderson, I just crossed 20 MA on monthly, which it was struggling. Now it is okay. This is also at 60 and looking good. Oh, ये price support पे रुका है. Try to avoid this. Okay, shooting star के बाद इतना बड़ा गिरा भी है. And volumes are good in this fall also. See, average volume के ऊपर में है. Okay, so जाने दो इसको. Let's see SBI and one of the PSU banks which I have started to see, it set support of lower band. This is okay. This is also okay. So it might come down for the first 60 support on monthly. It might come down for CIP. Okay, so 375 looks good buying price. That is where it has built a low also. And see, there is a huge gap. Huh? ये तो मेरे ख्याल से अगर SBI में कुछ फ्रॉड आता है तो ही अभी भरेगा, नहीं तो ये भरने के लिए उसको टाइम जाएगा. Okay, so let's see the finance. Bajaj Finance क्या बोलता है. ये भी same है actually. Small resisting 20 but see it is at 60 support, bouncing from here, and this is also looking decent with no bearishness so far. Okay, Bajaj Finserv, it's also around 20 May resistance on daily, weekly 60 support and about 60. So ये सब चीज़ न्यूट्रल ही है फिलहाल. So it's not showing any uh, you know कुछ बड़ा फॉल का अभी कुछ दिखा नहीं रहा है यहाँ पे. बट सी सम टायर्डनेस, तो ये थोड़ा बहुत टाइम पास होने वाला है. ओके, so that is what it is, and that is what I am telling you now in Tata Motors. Tata Motors, where the RSI is tired now, so it will have some slowdown, and that slowdown would be to get the week hearted out. So अगर इक्विटी में है एक बार बुक कर दो प्रॉफिट. ओके, that is what you should think of. So Bajaj Finserv. Okay, let's move to the other sector now. So we did finance, we did auto, and we did Nifty. Let's go to TCS. Let's see them. So yeah, TCS is having some fallback. Maybe first 40 support after this range. देखना पड़ेगा TCS करता क्या है. प्राइस सपोर्ट पे भी है, तो कल क्या करेगा देखना पड़ेगा. सी यहाँ पे 60 सब रेजिस्टेंस भी है उसको. Monthly it is okay. See, now it has come a little bit down. So मेरे हिसाब से 40 सपोर्ट लेता है या क्या करता है वो दिखने जैसा है ये वीक में. अगर नहीं होता है तो इट कैन बी अ शॉर्ट ट्रेड विद दिस एज ए स्टॉप लॉस. बट आई विल नॉट गिव अ ट्रेड राइट नाउ बिकॉज लेट्स सी व्हाट इट डज, क्योंकि 40 के ऊपर भी है. इट कैन बी अ फर्स्ट बुलिश रेंज. सो अवॉइड इट. लेट्स सी इन्फी. इन्फी में क्या चीज़ है. और 60 थोड़ा See, our trade was bang on 40, so we traded it. It went till here. Now see again it has come down. So अभी यहाँ पे देखो उसको गैप सपोर्ट भी है, तो अभी गैप सपोर्ट से बाउंस होता है या नहीं होता है वो देखना पड़ेगा. So bull sash at 60 and PRD भी है. PRD भी है. ये कैंडल और ये कैंडल के बीच में PRD है और वो कंफर्म भी हुआ है. So now if you are expecting some bounce, let's see क्या करता है. तो पीआरडी का टारगेट एक्चुअली उसने दे दिया है. आई थिंक इट वेंट टिल 1369 लास्ट वीक. सो वो छोड़ दो, अभी हो गया है, पीआरडी का टारगेट भी हो गया. ओके, सो देयर इज नथिंग लेफ्ट ऑन पीआरडी नाउ. सो नथिंग ऑन इन्फी. लेट्स सी टेकन. टेकन भी वैसे ही इसी ये सब बेरिश रेंज शिफ्ट का तैयारी कर रहा है. ये थोड़ा आईटी सेक्टर थोड़ा नीचे आने का तैयारी में है. सो लेट्स सी क्या करता है वो देखना है. देखो सब 40 के नीचे या 40 के टूवर्ड्स आने को ट्राई कर रहा है. There can be some swing trades on this to short tomorrow. Okay, so let's see what it does tomorrow actually. Hmm, अरे माइंड तो सीधा सीधा शॉट है. See this, but see, I don't trade much, so I don't, will be not aware of the lot size. But see this, 1970, 1795, 1720. So you enter short immediately tomorrow, and you can expect it to come till 1640 levels. Okay, ये possible है इसमें. So IT we saw. Let's see pharma now. Let's see DRR. Oh, look at where it is standing tall and dark and handsome at 40 support. So you can expect maybe the first bullish range shift. It's at 40. It's at price support. Buy above this, maybe probably be 45.50 के ऊपर buy करो. You can expect 46.25 and maybe 47. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, so DRR, where I do or IT. Perfecto. So we do have some 6, 7 trades for this week as well. Let's see what it does. Okay. Supla. Oh, that is also coming down, and it also has some similar things set up. Oh, 20 MA support. Okay, so it also has a PRD by the one monthly. Confirms only if it crosses 832. और भी 40 support पे. So pharma is looking good. So far it is, can have some bounce back tomorrow. Apart of here, it is resisting around 890 levels, but बाकी सब जगह पे डिसेंट दिख रहा है. सपोर्ट पे भी है, 40 के भी सपोर्ट पे है. ओके, सो दिस इज लुकिंग गुड. डीवीज क्या बोलता है. डीवीज भी 40 के सपोर्ट पे है। यहाँ पे भी बाउंस तो दिखा रहा है वो, बट वी हैव टू वेट बिकॉज 20 एम के ऊपर बाइंग है एंड मंथली तो अच्छा ही है उसका। सो अगेन डीवीज बाइंग इज अबाउट 35-60 एंड ये भी अच्छा दिख रहा है, बट I think we have enough trades, but this is also looking good for people who love DBs. This is also looking good. Okay, so I think we covered pharma, auto, FMCG बाकी है. So let me go back to FMCG in Unilever. Okay, so there is a breakout on Unilever after a while. अरे bullish divergence था इसमें daily पे. From there it has just came up. So now let's see what it does from here. It can be a buy about 225. Okay, so around 230 if you buy, your target will be around 270. 40 support taken on weekly, and so is on monthly 20 MA support. See, it has not broken 20 MA in many years. Okay, बहुत सालों से 20 MA पे नहीं था और अभी भी देखो 20 MA से बाउंस कर रहा है ये स्टॉक। तो ये अगर आप पोजिशनल भी लेना चाहते हो तो यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट 2370 एज योर टारगेट। So there can be some good bounce in Hindustan Unilever. Asian Paint has got a bounce from 60 and ये भी कभी रिट्रेस नहीं हुआ था तो अभी अच्छा खासा रिट्रेस हो रहा है ये। If you look at this, this is where see it has come back to almost 38% now and it is bouncing and it is resisting this. So ये 2550 के ऊपर में close आएगा तो it will again go to 2900. Right now resisting 20 MA and here also it is at that 20 MA resistance but coming towards 40 for range shift. Okay, Britannia we had a short on it but लास्ट वीक में ये भी भाग गया क्योंकि इसको कोई था ही नहीं और ये 40 को रेजिस्ट कर रहा था। अचानक 40 के ऊपर निकल गया और भागता गया बट सी नाउ इट इज एट रेजिस्टेंस, price resistance and everything. So again it seems to be somewhere a bearish trade, but look at this. It has gone up now from here, but it is again at price resistance below 60. So I'm not much keen on a positional buy on this. There can be, if you love this stock, do 40-60 के बीच में on 15 minute. I would not suggest much holding on this because monthly has broken 60 and it is see resisting 60. So unless it moves above it, it is going to be in the range of this one, right? So that is where we are. Okay, and one more thing, tomorrow there will be no live session because I have to take my mom for her vaccination, so I'll be off even tomorrow, right? And again, just recap, we have 30% discount for all the women's in your home, your colleagues, or whomever you want to gift. You can spread the word. Okay, it's Women's Day coming up tomorrow, and that's going to be 30% discount for all the trainings that they take. Right. So, thank you everyone, and see you again probably next weekend.